Hi, I'm Dave Epstein. Welcome to Growing Wisdom. And today we're talking about grow lights. And I want to talk to you about this really cool light that I found. It's actually a LED light, and it can be used as a hanging light or it can be used as a standing light. So one way you can use the grow light is you can stand it up. And so it's got a hinge on the back. It actually has a hex nut screw here, so you can tighten it depending on what angle you want it. And you would just put it on a table or something like that. You want it to be about 18 to 24 inches away from your plants. So if you had a bunch of plants right here, and we'll show you in a second against the window, I have a lot of succulents, we'll turn this on and it will really illuminate those succulents and give them a lot of wonderful full spectrum light. Now, some lights are made more for the flowering period, other lights are made more for the growing period. So you want to check whenever you're buying one of these lights what it's specifically used for. Some are just more general, others will help your plants to kind of flower or even fruit. This particular light also came with a way to hang it. So I've got some plants on another window, and you can see we can hang this particular light over them, again 18 to 24 inches, and this will augment the light that they have in a north-facing window. So I think these grow lights are really great because if you're in the interior or you have north-facing windows, you don't have enough light a lot of times for a plant that you want. So let's say you want to grow something that requires more light. This is a great way to do it. The light has a wonderful little switch here, this little toggle. Makes it real easy to turn on and off. I'm going to put these on timers, so I will set it so that I don't have to worry about it. The timer will set it to go on first thing in the morning and off late in the evening. And depending on the type of plant that you're growing, some plants require a little more light, so you might want to put it on at say 6 in the morning and not turn it off until 9 at night. Other plants, maybe you just give it 8 hours of light depending on what time of the year it is, what your plant's doing, and some of that you're going to have to do some research on. The quality of the light is really well made. It's sturdy. You can see here that there's 3 in a row, and then we've got 4, so 12 of these smaller lights. We'll put it on for you, and notice just how bright it is. It really does do a lot of illumination. So this particular light is rated 70 watts. It's not dimmable, so if that's something that's important to you, this isn't a light that you'd want to use, but it's just basically an all-around, all-purpose, wonderful grow light. And again, it's from the Sonsi company. You can check it out if you want. There's other grow lights out there for sure. Do your homework if you're getting grow lights. You want to be sure that the grow lights are rated well. Look at the recommendations. Always follow manufacturer's instructions. Some grow lights cannot be put in a enclosed housing. It can create a fire, so really follow what the manufacturer says on any of the grow lights you buy. But it's a great way for those of us, especially in northern climates where we can't really get outside and do a lot of growing in the winter, to continue to enjoy our plants all year long. For Growing Wisdom, I'm Dave Epstein.